Understanding relationship status. Being in a relationship. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting part of the English language: relationship status. More specifically, we're going to look at the term, in a relationship. This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking cultures to describe one's romantic status. So, let's get started. The term, in a relationship, describes the state of being romantically involved with another person. It generally means that two people have a mutual understanding, are romantically interested in each other, and are not available for dating others. When someone says they are in a relationship, they usually mean they have a boyfriend, girlfriend, or partner. It's a broad term and can cover any kind of romantic relationship, whether it's a young couple who've just started dating, or a married couple who've been together for decades. Understanding the meaning is great, but let's make it more practical. How do you use this phrase in a sentence? Here are some examples. 1. Example 1. She told me she's in a relationship now, so we can't go out for coffee like before. 2. Example 2. I've been in a relationship with my boyfriend for 2 years. 3. Example 3. Being in a relationship is not just about romance, it also requires trust and communication. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. Practice making sentences of your own. Understanding, in a relationship, can also help you grasp other relationship statuses. Here are a few. Single. This means the person is not currently in a romantic relationship. Married. The person is in a legally recognized relationship. Engaged. The person is in a relationship and has plans to get married. Divorced. The person was once married but is no longer due to legal separation. Widowed. The person was once married but their spouse has passed away. These terms, along with in a relationship, are commonly used to describe someone's romantic status. And there you have it. Now, you're familiar with the term, in a relationship, and some related vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Don't rush it, take your time, and practice regularly. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Keep learning and keep practicing. Until next time.